Ramazan Mubarak. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us, forgive all our sins, purify us and unite us. Ameen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adiala Road Campus. Subject Science for Grade 7. Chapter 12, Electric Current and Circuits. Our today's topic is Heating Effect of Electric Current. Covering Introduction, Objectives, Heating Effect of Electric Current, Compact Fluorescent Lamps, Electric Fuse, Safety Fuse, other types of fuses, and Summary. Introduction. Students, you must have seen an electric bulb glowing with bright light. How that electric bulb glow? When you want to iron your dress, you put the iron plug into the socket for electricity and switch it on. How does the electric iron heat? Let us find out the answer of these questions. Objectives. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain the heating effects of electric current, importance of compact fluorescent lamps, discuss the importance of electric fuse in electric circuits, identify various types of electric fuses like plug fuse, miniature circuit breaker, and residual current device. Heating effect of electric current. When current passing through a wire produces heat in its surrounding region, it is called the heating effect of an electric current. Students, how electric bulb glow? The answer of this question is, when electric current is passed through a metallic wire, like filament of electric bulb or coil of an electric heater, the filament and coil becomes hot and glowing. The heating effect of glowing bulb can easily be felt by keeping your hand near the bulb. How the electric iron heat? When electric current is passed through a metallic wire like filament in iron, it becomes hot and starts radiating heat. The heating effect of iron can easily felt by ironing the dress and glowing bulb of iron. Students, the amount of heat produced by flow of electric current through a wire depends upon some factors. These factors are material of the wire, length of the wire, thickness of wire, and the amount of the current flow. Students, when current flows through an electric wire, the wire tries to resist the current flow through it. This is called resistance. Higher resistance produces more heat. Thus, for different requirements, we use wire of different materials and different lengths and thicknesses. Dear students, sometimes you may have seen the situation in your house that the fuse is blown off and the electric supply is cut off. Can you tell the reason for this? Students, this is because of the enormous amount of heat is produced which passing through the device. Heating can damage these devices. It may cause electric fire. Students, when a fuse connected in a circuit melts or blows up, it makes the circuit an open circuit and the flow of current stops thereafter. Usually, a large amount of current flows in a circuit due to two reasons: short circuit and overloading. Short circuit happens when two wires touch each other, whereas overloading of a circuit happens when a large number of devices are connected to the same power supplying point. Electric fuse. It is a safety device which is used in an electric circuit to prevent excess heating due to flow of electric current in the circuit. Students, there are different types of fuses, in which two are very important. Number one, miniature circuit breakers, also known as MCB, and number two, residual current device, also known as RCD. Let us summarize what we have learned. When current passing through a wire produces heat in its surrounding region, it is called the heating effect of an electric current. Compact fluorescent lamps are low energy bulbs and consume less electricity. Electric fuse is a safety device which is used in an electric circuit to prevent excess heating due to flow of electric current in the circuit. Dear students, in our next lecture, we cover a topic, magnetic effect of current.